Hi guys, welcome to the graphics. In this video, I am going to show you how you can convert a colorful image into black and white using Adobe InDesign. So let's get started this video. As you can see, I have already opened a file in Adobe InDesign, and here we have a colorful bird image that I want to convert into black and white. So let's see how we can do it. So as you know already, each and every object, image or text remain inside a frame in Adobe InDesign. Similarly here, this image is also available inside a frame only. So once you will hover your mouse above your image, you can see this icon. That means if you will click on this icon, your image has been selected, but your frame is not selected. If you will move, you can see your image is moving inside that frame. Okay, so but if you will click directly on image, so you can move your image along with your frame. So first of all, we have to select our image only. So for selecting your image, simply have to click on this icon, and now your image has been selected, and you have to click on Windows, and here you can find the option Effect Panel, which shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift and F10. You have to simply click on it and go on the blending mode. Here you can see this is normal right now. You have to take the luminosity, click on this. Now you have to click outside. Now you have to select complete your image along with frame. You have to go on swatches, and just you have to click on white color. Boom, you can see here our colorful image has been converted into black and white. It's quite easy and simple way, which is very useful for us to know how to convert a colorful image into black and white in Adobe InDesign. So hope this trick was helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.